name's Tess, born and raised here in Southern California. I'm here today in Simi Valley, California at Fast Intentions. I've known Tony for 16 years. I've watched this shop evolve. He did a build on my brother's Nissan Z, and now today it's all about me, my 2021 Bronco. I'm here getting my sill guards installed, color matched to my carbonized gray, and I'm getting the first AXLEBACK exhaust installed on my Bronco right behind me. I'm gonna be the first person on the road with this exhaust, and I'm so pumped. So I'm on the forums, I'm on the Facebook groups. I was so pumped to see Fast Intentions all over the forums for their sill guards. I'm an engine gal. I love my Bronco, but what it was missing is a little bit of sound. And to be here in the shop, to get to experience the sound and power of this exhaust, just enough to make me light up when I got to give it a test drive. I'm so excited to have that added bit of power and the sound. That's what really drew me in. I've loved cars, I've loved engines my whole life. I love to get off-road. So to have my badass Bronco sounding good and going off-road, super excited. I'm all about supporting local, especially supporting an American brand. They're newer into the Bronco market, but all the research they did, all the prototyping they did, they really fine-tuned this product. So I was really excited to get this on my car.
Hey, sorry to interrupt, awesome interview, but your exhaust is ready to go. Let's check it out.
Let's go. I'm ready to hear it on my car. I'm so excited. In and out under an hour. Let's go. All right, we're getting on the freeway right now. I'm gonna give her the throttle. First person on the road. Okay, here we go. From a roll. I didn't even see that. So awesome. Sounds great with the soft top. No rattle, no humming, no vibration. Yeah, I'll do a little one. Oh my gosh. This one feels faster than the red one. All right, guys, just finished my test drive. Absolutely loved it. Sounds amazing. Super pumped. Thanks, guys. See you next time. Got to get back to my desk job.